Alright, for question number 2, it says, what is the axis of symmetry? Now, we've talked about this a lot in class, but I just want to reiterate. Number 1, the axis of symmetry is what cuts the parabola in half. So, for instance, if I look at this parabola, it would be cut in half. It looks like somewhere right here, meaning this line would split this parabola in half, meaning it's symmetrical on this side as it is on this side. And I know that may not be the perfect line, but again, I'm looking more for understanding than perfection, so just remember that. But this line here that I just drew looks like it cuts this parabola in half. And that's why it's called the axis of symmetry, because it's supposed to be symmetrical on both sides of this line. So if it asks for the axis of symmetry, number 1, it's a vertical line. So any line that is vertical has the equation x equals some number. And all we have to do is look at what x value it's at. So in this case, on the x-axis, it's at 1. Therefore, the equation for this vertical line, which cuts it in half, is x equals 1. So when it asks for the axis of symmetry, this is what it's really asking for. And so in my case, my axis of symmetry is x equals 1. And just for sort of a side note, remember, the axis of symmetry always goes through the vertex. So the x value for the axis of symmetry and the x value for the vertex should always be the same. Hope this helps. If you have any more questions, please ask me in class.